Want to turn your social media presence into cold, hard cash? Today, I'm going to show you how to make money with Temu's affiliate marketing program. It's easier than you think. First, head over to Temu. Look for the affiliate program link, usually found in the footer of the website under the About section, or labeled Affiliate Program. Click on it to access the registration page. Now, fill out the application form with accurate information. This includes your name, email address, website or social media profiles, and payment details. Be sure to read and agree to the terms and conditions. Submit your application. Once approved, you'll gain access to your Temu affiliate dashboard. This is where you'll find your unique referral links. These links are how Temu tracks the sales you generate. You'll also find promotional materials like banners and product images to help you promote Temu. Start sharing your referral links on your social media platforms, website, or blog. Focus on creating engaging content that showcases Temu's products and offers. For example, you could create product review videos, share deals, or run contests. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Temu offers competitive commission rates, so the more you promote, the more you can earn. Track your earnings and performance in your dashboard. Temu typically offers various payment methods, such as PayPal or direct deposit. Keep creating content and promoting your links. The more active you are, the more money you can make with the Temu affiliate program.